Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to blur a background in Canva. This is canva.com website, and first I will create a new design. Let's go with an Instagram post to get a square template. Now I will add my image. This is the image. Now, in order to make this background blur, I need to detach the background from my face or body. To do that, I will use this on Photoshop online alternative called photop.com. This is my photo on my computer. I will slide it like that. And now I will use, or I will select the background using I will go with the polygonal lasso select, and I will zoom in like that. If you put a dot like that, you can remove your selection using delete on your keyboard. I think because my head is rounded, so for better selection, I will go with the magic wand. I will keep selecting the background like that, and make sure to hold Shift on your keyboard to keep selecting multiple parts of the background. Now, if you have another way to, you can switch the selection tools like that. Now go to rectangle and hold your shift and select part of your background like that. Now I need to select this chair black parts. Also, the problem here is that if I try, I think if when I select, or I will go with I will keep selecting. Now what I will do is that I will select the circle, ellipse select, and now to deselect this part of my face, instead of you keep holding shift, I will hold alt. It's not alt, it's option. Yes, it's option. I'm now on a Mac computer, so it's option. Yes, it's option. If it does not work on your if you're on a computer or a PC, try with alt, because I don't have alt on this keyboard. So the alternative to option on Mac, I think it's alt. Now go back to holding shift to add this part of the background. Now same thing, to select this black part, I will use the magic wand, hold shift, and I think I still have small dots to select. I will use the circle or the ellipse select. While holding shift, I will select this part and also this dot. Now my background is selected. I will select this part. Now what I will do is that I will copy this selected part of my image like that, Command C on Mac or Control C on PC. Now that my background is copied to my clipboard, I think, yes, I will I will paste it again to create a new layer. As you can see, now I have two layers on this right side panel. This is my first layer, and this is the second one. Now let's copy or deselect the original background, correct the placement of this background. Let's export it or save it as a PNG. Click on save and add it to Canva. This is my background. Add it to Canva, just like that. Now, as you can see, select. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Now, as you can see, select the top photo, which is the background photo. Click on this edit from this toolbar and go to effects and select blur. Here select the whole image and edit the intensity of the blur. Click on or return back, and as you can see, the background is now blurred. And this is how to blur a background in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.